What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where Acura announced today the 1 of 50 Gotham Gray TLX Type S PMC edition. Yes, they announced that the artisans at its Performance Manufacturing Center, or PMC, in Ohio will be working on the new limited TLX Type S PMC edition starting next month, where the Performance Manufacturing Center will start hand assembling a total of just 50 examples painted in the same color as the NSX Type S. Now, in addition to the matte metallic Gotham Gray paint, the model will also get 20-inch wide spoke wheels that were inspired by the NSX and are finished in Berliner Black. Now, the door handles and part of the lower side sill garnish will also be painted in the same shade of black. Now, rounding out the exterior is a gloss carbon fiber decklit spoiler, a carbon fiber rear diffuser, as well as carbon fiber side sill garnishes, and black chrome quad exhaust finishers. Now, you also have the TLX Type S and SH all-wheel drive badging that will also be finished in glossy black. And inside, the TLX Type S PMC edition brings carbon fiber interior trim, illuminated side sills, and premium floor mats with the Type S badges. It's not all black and gray though. The seats are finished in red Milano leather and with black ultra suede inserts. Now, the lower console, meanwhile, gets a special plaque denoting the special edition and its exclusive status on the just 50 examples ever being created. Now, like other TLX Type S's, this model will be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 with a twin-scroll supercharger that makes 355 horsepower, 265 kilowatts, 360 PS, and 354 pound-feet, 480 newton-meters of torque, thanks to the technology brought from the NSX. Now, that power will be sent to all four wheels, which are wrapped in Pirelli P0 summer tires. And as well as vehicles leaving the Performance Manufacturing Center, the Gotham Gray TLX Type S PMC edition will be assembled by hand and will receive the same quality control treatment given to the NSX. This means a dyno check, a paint inspection, a rough road simulation, and a specially designed car cover to keep the paint safe during shipping. Now, the TLX Type S PMC editions finished in Gotham Gray are expected to start arriving at select Acura dealerships in the spring, and this is a starting price of $66,995. This is $65,000 plus the $1,995 shipping fee. So with that said, what do you guys think about the PMC edition of the TLX Type S and that Gotham Gray paint job? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it. And we'll have a big discussion on Acura's new 1 of 50 TLX Type S PMC edition. Now, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate the extra love you guys show. It helps support the channel. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and my social media links down in the description below. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.